Hello, here's a very simple example of using BaseQL with Retool. Let's get started. So here's a very quick example of how to use BaseQL with Retool. We have a table here. It's a people table with different kinds of relationships. So you'll see here Daniel and Peter, self-referential relationship to John, and Ben and Peter, so on. We also have a vegan checkbox here where you can select different ones. Right away, once you've got BaseQL installed, you can set up a query to filter by vegan equals true and run the query. You can see, you can copy that endpoint and use it inside of the Retool base. Right here, we kind of already have something up and going. So very simple example, we've got a people query here. So it uses the BaseQL endpoint. You can basically say people that are vegan, filter by this, and then give us their name and their friends, and their friend's name. And we're binding that to a table here where you can see additional attributes. So for example here, we've got the friends separated by a comma. Super basic stuff. But we've got the checkbox up on top that then shows us, are they vegan? Where you can show only the vegans. So unclicking it removes the filter. Super simple example of using Retool with BaseQL. Thank you for watching.